Hello and welcome to Hypermotor's video of the GLA45 AMG. This example is 2019. It's covered just under 25,000 miles. It's finished in mountain grey metallic, gloss black wheels. They've been fully refurbished, 20-inch. This car benefits from having panoramic roof, the upgraded carbon fibre dash, AMG Recaro seats, the red accents, has electric memory front seats, also heated. Full service history. There's a couple of nice options. It's got the AMG performance exhaust, the button on the dashboard. Also has the 360 camera. Push button start and keyless entry and go. It's the 381 PS horsepower version, four-wheel drive, has automatic LED headlights. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or give us an email. Thanks for watching.